Our Ashcroft Dining Table comes with these contents. These are the tools that you'll need. First, lay the planks on the floor with the logos facing upwards. Use a straight edge to align the planks. Then attach the 4 parts of the frame, ensuring the outside edges align. First drilling pilot holes through the corner plates and then screwing in the screws provided. If needed, screw the height adjustable feet into the bottom of the legs. Place the frame upside down on top of the table planks, making sure to centralize the frame within the width and length of the table. Drill pilot holes through the frame into the planks, then fix in place using the screws provided. Depending on the size of your table, you may have a central brace to secure by drilling pilot holes and fixing in place with screws. Take care turning over your table. Now grab a brew, style, and enjoy!